So recently, OpenAI actually created a new AI model which is called OpenAI O1. Now, as you can see, they developed a new series of AI models designed to spend more time thinking before they respond, so they can reason through complex tasks and solve harder problems. So, if you need solving your math problems, your science problems, coding problems really fast, this is the model for you, and this is something that you can use. Now, how can you actually access this model? This is the question of this, or the title of this video. So it's very simple. So all you have to do is go to your models right here on the ChatGPT. So if you go to ChatGPT, I don't have it currently, but you need to have your paid ChatGPT model, and here you will be able to basically do it right here. So obviously you will be just clicking, and then as you can see, you have O1 mini, O1 preview. So these are two different models that you can start using and that you can start kind of playing around with it. Now, as you can see, keep in mind that the initial usage limits during the preview phase with access restricted to 30 messages per week. Additionally, at present, O1 preview in ChatGPT doesn't support features like browsing, file and image uploading, and obviously you have some beta limitations right here that are just early access limitations. But overall, this is how you can access OpenAI O1. And yeah, this is how you can kind of go and try that out for yourself. Again, this is really useful model, especially for those of you in school, if you're studying or if you're in programming, for example. This can really benefit you as well. So obviously, if you want to learn more about ChatGPT and other things such as softwares, AI, SaaS, we have a lot of videos that we're uploading, 5 videos a day, every single day on our channel. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.